Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, today on Friday, yes, it's Friday, almost weekend, Friday, December the 10th, 2021. We have here two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Light and a Sudoku Heavy. And in this newspaper we have a new extra Sudokus, a new additional. And the news of today, yes, the news of today, actually for Sunday, yeah, who will win? Lewis Hamilton or Max Verstappen? Yes, the last race of the year, Formula One. So I'm very excited for this Sunday. But first, we will solve the regular Sudokus. Let me focus the camera. And the first one I will solve is a Sudoku Light. It will be number 3808. Well, yeah, 38. Let me put it here. 3808. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, each big square, we have 9 big squares, has 4 printed digits. So 9 times 4, 36 printed digits. All right. So let's get started. Let me scan. How about, yeah, let me start with the 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. We have a 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 1. I see. I need to wait. How about the 2 then? We have a 2 in this row. Third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. All right. How about let me start with the 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. I can continue with the 1 now. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in the middle column. So no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. Now I can continue with the 1, I believe. Let me check. 1 in this row. 1 in the last row. So the row between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So the last column. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the ones are used, I can see. Digit number 1, digit number 3, number 1. All right. Okay. All right. We have here 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 in this box. The 5 should be there, and 8 goes there. All right. Okay. So we have a 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Do I have all the 5s? Let me check. And all the 5s are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 5. All right. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. All right. Do I have here? Let me see. 8 and 9. Yeah, 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. 8 and the 9. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. All right. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. And look, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8, and look, we have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. All right. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and the 9. The 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9, and look, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9, we have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7, and look, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and the 8. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku Light. Yes. Easy to solve it. Yeah, for the beginners, this one is a good one to solve. If you are a little bit more advanced, then we have a Sudoku heavy for you. Later, in a minute, I will solve that for you. So, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can download the PDF file if you like to solve it by yourself. See you later. Bye bye for now.